Hi everyone. So I've just finished replacing the rear speed sensor cable. It's called ABS velocity transducer. And when I was reattaching the cable, I realized something. So where does it come from? Why am I doing this? I have been having these RPM limitations very rarely and randomly. So the bike, I'm traveling, the bike is warm, and the bike puts itself in a limp mode, which means it limits itself to 4,000 or 5,000 RPM. It's dangerous, and it's happening randomly, in no special reason. Once I was on highway, twice in the city, twice in country road. No hard acceleration, no off-road, no nothing really. So I went to the dealer. The OBD reader showed first the TPS, so throttle error. We replaced it, but the problem persisted, and it also showed return fuel pump, and it was this error code is coming from the ABS unit. So they found it in some car manual that in this case a speed sensor replacement might help. There is no return fuel pump in internal combustion engine, but there is an ABS unit which is there, which has a pump. So when I was reattaching the cable, I realized that this was not like this, like now, fixed there. It was only fixed here. And this part of the cable was kind of loose. It might have hit the swing arm. And on my previous bike, the Kawasaki Versys X, I once had a strange an ABS error. And it was caused by a little stone trapped. There was some metal bracket somewhere here, and the stone was between the ABS cable and in the metal bracket, and it got trapped there, and it was vibrating and hitting the ABS cable. And when I got rid of the stone, the problem disappeared. So it was caused by this high vibration of the ABS cable. So now I'm guessing that this cable, being this loose and hitting the swing arm, maybe at a high frequency, that could have caused the problem. So now I fix the cable like so. I hope it will stay like there. Yeah, the curvature is not very hard, so it should be alright. I hope this won't get hot, too hot. So yeah, I hope it's gonna work. Now, if you also have this problem and need to replace this cable, continue watching the video, because I will show it to you. So this is the ABS sensor line, which is coming through here, under here, and it's under this big cable. That's that one. So you need to cut the zip ties to get there, and I'm going to remove now this. Obviously you need to disconnect the battery, and then you need to I'm going to attempt removing this, so I have a little space to move this big chunk of cables to that direction, so I can access the ABS transducer connector better, and hopefully, yeah, the problem is always with these connector heads, which are big. I hope they will fit through the little space in there. So I am happy to report that it can be done without removing the side panels, both side panels, both sides and the tank and this plate, because this cable is zip tied to this plastic here, and here you can cut the zip tie. Now it's not there, but I hope you can see there are holes somewhere where I'm pointing. Don't see it now. Yeah, there. And if you cut the zip tie, then you will have enough space to push through the connector head. You see the cable moving there? And